Stone tools appear simple, yet they quietly shaped everything about early human survival. Their true importance is often underestimated, even though lives depended on them daily. This documentary explores how stone tools influenced survival choices long before permanent settlements existed. We will examine archaeological evidence showing how tool use changed behavior over time. We will also look at why these tools mattered more than strength or speed alone. Early humans faced harsh environments with limited protection from weather and predators. Food sources were unpredictable and often required skill to access safely. Stone tools offered a way to control these dangers without changing biology. At first glance, a sharp stone seems like a minor advantage. Yet that sharp edge transformed how early humans interacted with their surroundings. It allowed cutting meat that teeth alone could not handle efficiently. It helped process plants that were otherwise too tough or toxic. These actions reduced energy loss during daily survival tasks. Lower energy costs meant more time for movement, learning, and planning. Planning itself became more valuable once tools could support future needs. Early humans began carrying tools instead of making them every time. This simple habit shows foresight developing through repeated experience. Archaeologists find tool marks that reveal deliberate and consistent techniques. These marks suggest learning passed between individuals over generations. Shared techniques reduced trial and error in dangerous situations. That reduction lowered injury risks during hunting and food preparation. Fewer injuries directly improved chances of living longer. Longer lives allowed knowledge to accumulate within small groups. This accumulation slowly reshaped survival strategies beyond instinct alone. Stone tools also changed how early humans used landscapes. Certain locations became valuable because raw stone was available nearby. Movement patterns adjusted around these resource-rich areas. Such choices hint at decision-making guided by tools, not chance. Understanding this shift is key to grasping early human survival success. But the deeper reasons behind this transformation require closer examination. Stone tools did more than cut food. They reshaped how early humans approached daily survival. Tool use reduced direct physical struggle with animals and tough materials. This reduction changed risk levels during hunting and scavenging activities. Early humans no longer relied only on hands, teeth, or brute force. Sharp edges extended the body's natural abilities in precise ways. Precision allowed cleaner cuts that preserved more usable meat. Better meat access improved calorie intake during uncertain seasons. Reliable calories supported larger brains over long evolutionary periods. Archaeological layers show increasing tool complexity alongside dietary changes. These changes suggest survival success was linked to technical improvement. Stone tools also affected how early humans cooperated with each other. Tasks could be divided more efficiently when tools were available. One individual could cut meat while another prepared fire materials. This coordination reduced time spent exposed to predators. Reduced exposure increased group safety during critical moments. Groups with better tools likely experienced fewer fatal encounters. Tool making itself required observation and repeated practice. Younger members learned by watching skilled tool makers. This learning process strengthened social bonds within groups. Shared skills increased group resilience during environmental stress. When climates shifted, tools helped adapt faster than anatomy could. New cutting methods allowed use of unfamiliar animal species. Different scraping tools supported clothing preparation from animal hides. Simple clothing improved survival in colder regions. Cold tolerance expanded possible migration routes. Expanded movement opened access to new food sources. Each expansion increased chances of long-term group survival. Stone tools also served as problem-solving solutions, not just weapons. They helped crack bones for marrow extraction. Marrow provided dense nutrition during food shortages. These advantages compounded across generations. Over time, survival became less random and more controlled. This control set the stage for deeper changes still ahead. As tools improved early, humans began shaping stones with greater intention. Different shapes emerged for cutting, scraping, and pounding tasks. This variety shows growing understanding of material properties. Certain stones were chosen because they fractured in predictable ways. Predictability reduced mistakes during tool production. Fewer mistakes meant less wasted effort and time. Time savings mattered when survival depended on daylight and safety. Toolkits became more specialized rather than general purpose. Specialization allowed faster responses to specific challenges. Hunting tools differed from tools used for plant processing. This distinction reflects mental planning before action occurred. Planning reduced surprises during dangerous encounters. Reduced surprises increased survival consistency across seasons. Stone tools also influenced how early humans treated animal remains. Bones were broken deliberately to access nutrients inside. Consistent break patterns show learned methods, not random force. These methods maximized food use from each animal. Wasting less food mattered during long periods of scarcity. Tool use also left marks that help scientists trace behavior today. Cut marks reveal where meat was removed carefully. Scrape marks show hide preparation for shelter or clothing. These traces provide direct evidence of survival strategies. They show intention rather than accidental use of materials. Stone tools also reduced dependence on immediate environments. Tools could be transported across long distances. Carrying tools allowed quick adaptation in unfamiliar areas. This flexibility lowered risks during migration events. Migration expanded access to diverse ecosystems. Diverse ecosystems reduced reliance on a single food source. Reduced reliance lowered chances of total group collapse. Over time, tool knowledge became a survival advantage itself. Groups without effective tools faced greater daily risks. This imbalance shaped which groups persisted over generations. The connection between tools and survival grew increasingly clear. Stone tools ultimately changed survival by shifting control from chance toward learned, repeatable human actions. They allowed early humans to solve problems without waiting for biological evolution. This shift explains why tools mattered more than raw strength in daily survival. Strength fades, but a sharp edge delivers consistent results across many situations. Consistency reduced. Uncertainty during hunting food. Processing and defending valuable resource areas. With tools early, humans could plan outcomes instead of reacting blindly each day. Planning increased success rates and reduced fatal mistakes over repeated encounters. Archaeological evidence shows survival improvements appearing alongside long periods of tool stability. Stable. Designs suggest effective solutions were kept because they worked reliably over time. This reliability explains why stone tools spread widely across different early human groups. Groups using better tools gained small advantages that accumulated over many generations. Accumulated advantages often decide survival outcomes. More than single dramatic events alone, stone tools supported steady survival, rather than sudden, unpredictable success over time. They helped early humans endure normal days, not just extreme crises. Most survival happens quietly through routine actions repeated correctly each day. Stone tools improved those routines in food, shelter, and movement tasks. Improved routines lowered stress on bodies and minds over long lifespans. Lower stress increased survival odds without requiring physical transformation over time. This is why stone tools became central to early human success overall. They turned knowledge into a dependable survival asset for groups everywhere. Understanding this connection clarifies how early humans survived challenging prehistoric worlds. Stone tools were not optional extras, but foundations of everyday survival practice. They shaped decisions, behaviors, and outcomes long before permanent settlements appeared. This perspective explains why archaeology focuses so heavily on stone tool evidence. Tools provide direct records of survival thinking preserved in material form today. Through them, scientists reconstruct how early humans met daily survival challenges. The evidence consistently points to tools as survival multipliers, not simple objects. Without stone tools, early human survival would have been far less reliable. Their success was built on skill learning and shared technical knowledge systems. This understanding completes why stone tools determined early human survival success clearly. Recognizing this helps us see survival as a process shaped by choices. Those choices left marks in stone that still speak across deep time. If this explanation helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more calm prehistoric documentaries.